In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable ad blocker on Microsoft Edge Windows 10. Whether you are troubleshooting a site that won't load properly or supporting creators by allowing ads, I'll walk you through a clear, simple process and explain what each option does so you can choose what's best for you. First, open Microsoft Edge. Give it a moment to load to the main browser window. We'll be working entirely inside Edge's built-in menus, so here is nothing extra to download or install. Now, look to the top right corner of the Edge window and click the 3 horizontal dots. This is the menu button that opens Edge's main controls and settings. When you click it, a drop-down menu appears with several options for customizing and managing your browser. From that menu, select Extensions. Depending on your current layout, you might see a compact panel or a shortcut that says Manage Extensions. If you only see a brief panel, go ahead and click Manage Extensions there to open the full extensions page. This page is where Edge lists every extension currently installed, making it easy to turn things on or off without uninstalling them. On the extensions page, locate your ad blocker. Common names include adblock, adblock plus, and adblock. But the one you see may vary depending on what you installed. Each extension card will show its name, an icon, a brief description, and a toggle switch. To temporarily stop the ad blocker from running, toggle the switch to the off position. When the switch is off, the extension won't filter ads or modify web pages, which often resolves issues like missing page elements, videos that won't play, or content blocked behind an ad wall. This is a reversible change, so you can always return here later and flip the switch back on if you decide you want to re-enable it. If you are sure you no longer need the ad blocker at all, you can remove it completely. Click Remove on the ad blocker's extension card. Edge may ask you to confirm before it uninstalls the extension. Removing it frees up a bit of browser overhead and ensures it won't run again unless you decide to install it in the future. That's all there is to it. By using the extensions page, you stay in control whether you simply want a quick pause for one session or a full uninstall. If a website starts working again after disabling the ad blocker, you'll know it was the cause. And you can choose the approach that best fits your browsing habits. Thanks for watching.